Chapter 3, Lesson 5 is about dividing integers, okay? We've added, subtracted, multiplied, now divide. And that is simply your learning target is I know how to divide integers. Okay, so let's go over the key concept. And the key concept, honestly, does not change really from multiplication. The only difference is that instead of the word multiply, it says divide. And so to divide integers, we divide the numerators as if both were positive. If the integers have the same sign, the answer is positive. If the integers have a different signs, the answer is negative. So here's our dividing table here. If we have a positive divided by a positive, well, that's kind of obvious. Our answer will be positive. If we have a positive divided by a negative, our answer is going to be negative because they do not have the same sign. They have different signs. And again, a negative divided by a positive will be negative. And a negative divided by a negative will end up being positive. Okay, so that's how to fill out this little chart here. It's no different than multiplication as far as positives and negatives are all going to be positives. Positive and negative is going to be negative. Okay, let's do some examples. All right, example 1 says find 4 divided by a negative 2. Okay, and we see this one is positive, this one negative, so we know that our answer is going to be a negative answer, okay? Because one of them is negative, the other one is positive. Then we just take 4 divided by 2, and 2 goes into 4 twice, so our answer is a negative 2. Pretty simple stuff. Okay, let's do another one. We have find negative 27 divided by a negative 3. Both signs are the same, so that means our answer is going to be positive. And 27 divided by 3, well, 3 can't go into 2, but 3 can go into 27 9 times, and that is 27. Subtract out, we get 0. So our answer is a positive 9. Okay. So this last example, I want to make sure that you guys understand this. When we have 27 and then this divided by sign, it's the same. Like I could rewrite this over here as a negative 27 over a negative 3. Negative 27 divided by negative 3 is the same as saying negative 27 over 3, negative 3. Okay, it's the same exact thing. So it doesn't matter which way it looks. So if we look at example 3, we know that we're just dividing negative 16 divided by x. Okay, or I could rewrite that as negative 16 divided by x. And x, we say, is negative 4. So all that means is we have to put this negative 4 into x. Okay, so we're going to have negative 16. I'm going to rewrite this equation now, divided by a negative 4. Come and take this over here. So we have negative 16. We both are negative, so we know our answer is going to be positive, right? So I really don't need this negative here. We're going to just scratch that out. So we can do 16 divided by 4 like this, and we just know our answer, I'm not running out of room, right, is going to be a positive, because a negative divided by a negative is positive. And 4 goes into 16 4 times, which is 16. Subtract, we get 0 left over. So our answer is a positive 4. Okay. So multiplying and dividing integers, they're really not that difficult. As long as you know how to multiply and divide, you're good to go. All right. Peace.